Welcome back. Today we're doing something a bit different. We're doing pit bikes. So I thought I'd just get them out as it's a nice evening. As we can see, it's lovely. So this is my m2r140. Very rarely gets dirty, but I thought why not, sod it. It's all clean and tidy. So it's I've had a few of these over the years and this is the best one I've ever had. So I thought we'd give it a razz around the field. Got Reese with us today on his pit bike. So we'll see how it goes. You got it? Right. This is where it doesn't fit to be back. We'll have a go, Reese.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah. Just be careful, mate. It's a bit of a. Oh, watch that kickback. Let me do it.
Yeah, alright.
Here, come on. You got it. Okay, bud. It does lift, it'll lift. Great little bikes for what they are, really. Hey, up, he's up. So there you go. It's I say it's not too much of a razz. Obviously we've got neighbours, so we don't upset them. And you know, we'll find somewhere local that we can take them and give them a good thrashing. So it's yeah, just thought why not get them out. That's Reese's. So it's they look well together, to be fair. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Ta-ra.